Don't download Smartsheet Enterprise Collaboration Hub app before watching this. Before you download Smartsheet Enterprise Collaboration Hub, here's the surprising truth. It's not just a spreadsheet-based tool. At the enterprise level, Smartsheet becomes a robust platform for project collaboration, automation, and reporting, and that's where most teams get it wrong. Step 1. Define your structure. Smartsheet uses sheets, reports, dashboards, and workspaces. Without a clear hierarchy, your collaboration hub can become confusing. Many teams dive in and create overlapping sheets, which leads to frustration and inefficiency. Step 2. Leverage automation. Enterprise features allow automatic updates, reminders, approvals, and conditional workflows, but most users underutilize these. Set up automations thoughtfully, or your team will be buried under unnecessary notifications. Step 3. Integrate strategically. Smartsheet connects with Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Workspace, and other tools. The surprising truth is, too many integrations without a plan can overwhelm your team instead of streamlining work. Step 4. Reporting and dashboards. Enterprise-level analytics are powerful, letting you track project status, resource usage, and performance metrics. But inaccurate or missing data renders reports useless. Consistent updates from all team members are essential. The benefit? Smartsheet Enterprise can increase collaboration efficiency, reduce missed deadlines, and centralize project management. Teams that adopt it properly often see a 25–40% boost in productivity. So should you download it? Yes, if your organization is ready to commit to structured workflows, accurate data entry, and strategic automation. If your team just needs simple task tracking, the Enterprise Hub may be overkill. Subscribe for more honest app breakdowns so you never download a complex platform blindly.